Guys, our day 3 starts with our breakfast.
Having breakfast with this mesmerizing view of these hills and inhaling the fresh air feels like paradise.
So guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to my day 3 vlog as well. And we have started our day by having a lekker breakfast, I guess. कस्तो थियो breakfast? अलि ठुलो बोल्नु पर्यो, खाएको हैन भर्खर? ब्रेकफास्ट कस्तो थियो?
आज एकदम बवाल थियो ब्रेकफास्ट। आज हामी एकदम एनर्जी फुल भएर हिँडिरहेछौँ घुम्न।
So we are heading towards our bus station and त्यहाँबाट चाहिँ हामी फ्युसन भन्ने ठाउँ जान्छौँ, which is very beautiful.
So all of a sudden we changed our plan and now we are heading towards Aibze instead of Fusen. And we took bus from Bad Kolgrau to Garmisch-Partenkirchen, and from there we changed our bus which goes direct to our final destination. Seeing the breathtaking view on the way to our destination, we can't wait to be there.
It has mountains, as you can see up there, and it's very beautiful.
So Aibze is one of the most famous lake in Germany, which is in Bavaria, and it is famous for its crystal clean water.
So guys, यहाँ चाहिँ हामीले पुरै बोट बुक गरेर पनि यो लेकको भ्यू मजा लिन सकिने रहेछ हैन, but we have decided to walk through this beautiful path जुन चाहिँ नेचरले भरिएको छ, and it's very beautiful, and so many people are walking there as well. र हामी पनि हिँडिरहेको छौँ। हामीलाई पनि नहुने रहेछ क्या फेरि। So guys, as I told you, the water is crystal clean. Here's the proof, just a second. Oh my god, kya sahi kya? The water is crystal clean here.
So as I told you, Aibze is a lake in Bavaria, Germany, which is 9 km southwest of Garmisch-Partenkirchen and roughly 100 km southwest of Munich, and also it is 973.28 above the sea level, and its surface area is 177.4 hectares. It is at the northerly base of the Zugspitze, Germany's highest mountain.
So guys, मैले एक्सपिरियन्स गरेको कुरा है आइब्जेको ट्राभलमा चाहिँ हैन, लाइक आइब्जे आएपछि चाहिँ हैन हामीले बोटमा राइड गर्नु भन्दा पनि हैन हिँडेर चाहिँ हैन यो वेहरू हिँडेर चाहिँ हैन ट्राभल गर्दा चाहिँ एकदम राम्रो हुने रहेछ नि, किनकि यहाँ बीचमा चाहिँ हैन लेकहरू पनि रहेछ हैन, जुन चाहिँ लाइक यो बोट चढेर राइड गर्यो भने देखिँदैन रहेछ.
And if you walk a bit further, then you will find a amazing lake in the middle of the forest, and if you sit on those stones, then you will enjoy this amazing lake and the big mountain in front of the lake, which gives you a positive vibes. My sisters are enjoying this amazing view of the lake and as well as their photo shoot. And the colorful boats adds extra beauty to this lake. So I'm at the end of my video. If you guys like my video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and see you guys in my next vlog. Till then, stay safe. Bye.